Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. This is the third and last update I will be doing this evening. When it rains, it pours, but I want to keep you up to date, certainly in a general terms, what the market is doing when I see something significant, not because I'm making a call, but because it's information that's helpful given the outstanding recommendations that I have. So currently, China still in fine shape, copper still in fine shape, utilities, both the XLU, the ETF, and Southern companies in good shape, actually have been quite well. The marathon oil that I recently did is holding up well. And we got stopped out of Bitcoin with a loss. And I'm going to talk about the US Cannabis ETF now because we had a slight stop out and I wanted to, again, stay on top of this. I still like the recommendation. Sometimes this happens. You don't give up on it. You go back, you give up on it if it's broken, but sometimes you have to jiggle these things a little bit. And so I'm going to give you my thoughts on where I will establish a new position in the cannabis ETF MSOS. So here we are. This is the intermediate term chart, 1, 2, 3 years in length, and the big downtrend, bearish trend. I think the high was around 55 or 56. And it got as low as $5. And as market technicians, we want to identify new trends at an early stage and stay with those trends until they change. And this red downward trend line, when it was broken, signified to me that the trend had changed from down to up, and that still looks intact to me. So the triangle pattern that I highlighted right here, these two converging trend lines, with the breakout suggested a $13 price projection. We got up to about 11. I still think it has farther to go, but from what level? So uh, you can see that our stop was set at 875 and it actually hit 860 a day or I think a day ago. And so let's take a closer look at this price action. And so here was our new stop. We raised our stop from down here at about 750 to 875, basically very close to a break even for us. Our purchase was at approximately 860. So we had this slight break 2 days ago. We have a moving average convergence, a bearish moving average convergence, where the convergence happens above the price action. This is very similar to what's going on with the S&P and the NASDAQ currently. And so instead of jumping back in to this position right now, I'm willing to wait and watch and see what happens. So a real clear-cut indication to me would be a clear close up around the 925 level above the convergence. That would tell me that the convergence couldn't hold and prices were breaking above, and I would want to get back in to this position. The other is that this looks like a type 2 convergence where prices are retracing back to the convergence. And if it can't break through, it suggests new lows. It would break the 850 or the 845 level, maybe come down here and fill that gap. I don't know. So that's what I'll be looking for. But I'll be looking, if it can't break through, I'll be looking for a new low. It could be very slight, but nevertheless, a new low. So We kind of have a definite game plan here. That's what I like about these moving average convergences, a la Tom McClellan again. He's the first one that I heard this indicator from. Maybe there was somebody before, I don't know, but kudos to Tom. And so that's kind of where we're at right now. And let's take a look at the point and figure chart, which I talked about on the first call, uh, recommending buying MSOS. And we have a bearish trend line that's still in place, but we also have a bullish price projection of 19 on this on the point and figure chart. So whether it's 13 or 19 or 17, I just like the potential upside here. I'm staying with it. I'm not throwing in the towel, but I'm not also buying recklessly, or I'm not just buying and holding. I'm going to manage my risk in a controlled way, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. So I just wanted to update you on those. I don't want to give out recommendations and then move on to the next. I want to take accountability for each position and also update you on what's transpired. So I still think the recommendations that I've given have done quite well. They've outperformed the market by a lot, and so we're going to keep an eye on U.S. Cannabis, the ETF, MSOS. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That would be very helpful. Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Thank you and have a great evening.